title says, DJI reached out to me directly, and at first I didn't think it was even real, but it ended up being very real. They said they really liked my last video all about how to shoot cinematic vlogs with the Pocket 3. And now that video is featured on their main channel with over 5 million subscribers. So super exciting for me, especially because I've been using DJI since the original Ronin S. If you remember that gimbal from way back when. And I know the Pocket 3 is extremely popular, but I didn't expect that video to do so well for my channel. And that video's been up for almost like 2 months now, and it's already changed a lot for me. For example, that video pushed this channel past 10,000 subscribers. So I wanted to use this video to also thank you guys for 10K subs. It means a lot to me, especially because YouTube is tough to balance, especially when I'm shooting photo and video full time. But I definitely get excited seeing how many people found value from the videos that I've been making. I feel like I'm definitely slowly finding my audience on this platform. Also, if you like the short videos that I'm making of my life shot on the Pocket 3, I upload those pretty frequently on my Instagram. So check me out on Instagram too. Thank you, DJI. Thank you to you guys. If you're new, I'm Chollette. And if you've been watching me for a while, I really appreciate it. Peace.